this portable laptop charger. Easy. Fucking easy, man. Fucking easy. See? Charging. Okay, it's kind of fuzzy and my phone camera is pretty fucking shit. So let's open it up. And as you can see, okay, it's in Croatian. It says Priključeno punica, and you can see the little charging logo here. The main thing is it works. I have invented. Okay, I have obviously not invented it. These things have existed for billions of years. Okay, obviously not billions of years. But here we have PWM, I believe, voltage converter and 36 volt power bank that is pretty much very dangerous aluminum foil taped to a bunch of 18650s. It's very stupid, I know, but here we have about 19 18 volts, which is fine for this laptop. And yeah, I also got some LEDs hooked up to the end because for some reason it has to have a load for it to show correct voltage before I can plug it in and start charging. But I guess I'm gonna finish it up and make it more convenient, and I'm going to give this to my friends and family so they can use it to charge it when they, because the main charger doesn't work for some reason. So we have one that works for two laptops, but sometimes we need both laptops charged at the same time. So yeah, and it kind of makes this annoying noise where it goes beep. Gonna have to do something about that. Well, probably not. Lol. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.